Today is the day. We are cutting the door into the cheese cave. So we've already gone ahead and we traced our pencil marks with a paint pen so it won't wash off because we're using a water saw. I'm gonna probably drill some holes in the corners first. Don't know if we'll need them or not, but could come in handy. And then otherwise, we're just gonna take it carefully. The door will come out in two pieces because the tank was in two pieces. And so there will be an upper half and a lower half. But yeah, very exciting. Looking forward to getting inside and seeing what the inside looks like. This top half of the door is nearly completely cut out, but we don't want it to fall in and break the floor of the cheese cave. So I made this. This is just a piece of strapping. I'm gonna go through the top here, and there's this little barb here that'll catch, and then I can bend this up against the wall, and that hopefully will prevent this slab of concrete from falling in. So now, that should hopefully keep it from falling in. Obviously, I don't want to be in the hole when we take this slab out, so let's see how this goes. Evidently, I didn't tie in a good enough knot. Take two. Well, now I think. Oh, okay.
Hold on.
So now, can you get a stick?
Yes.
Take three.
That made a satisfying thud.
It did. And nobody got hurt.
All right. We put a strap down there to try to help get it out of there. But it is fun to be able to finally see into the cave.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Other than I'm so glad that this is cut now. And I'm wet and muddy and stuff. I'm just tracking in junk. Whew. It's always a gamble when you rent equipment. This is not the saw I started the day with. In fact, I don't know how many hours we spent sawing basically the first half before going and switching out, and then I just cut the bottom half in like 20 minutes, and yeah, worked a lot better.
And it wasn't the blade or your ability.
No, it was the engine. Something was up with the engine on the other one. It wouldn't idle, and then it didn't want to start. And yeah, now we got a door. All right, let's go in. So there's good headroom for me. You can kind of see my shadow on the back wall. If you thought the milking parlor was echoey, and then there's the door. For the inside, we are going to probably build another wall to create a vestibule. And we'll probably do it where this seam in the tank naturally occurs. And then we'd have an entryway, and then the cheese cave would be in the back. And then we'll whitewash everything, make it nice and bright and clean. And then we'll probably need to put some lights in here as well, maybe some solar lights. Well, that's about enough work for one day. I'm super gross from cutting, but super excited that we finally got the door into the cheese cave. It's so nice to be able to look inside and see what it's like now that it's put together, because we've never seen the inside put together. And I'm very happy with the amount of space that we'll have inside, and I can stand up, just barely, but I can stand up, so headroom's not an issue. And just super stoked about making some cheeses here this fall and getting them in the cheese cave. So we still have to build some stairs down. We hadn't done that yet because I didn't know how much room I would need to maneuver the saw. And then we need to frame in the door opening and build an insulated door and finish out the inside. But super stoked about the cheese cave. Love cheese.